Hare Krishna, Prabhu. This is one of the thing which every sincere devotee would be trying to know or want to know, that when he is approaching the Lord and when he is talking to the Lord or when he is worshipping the Lord, to have a confirmation for himself, that assurance for himself that yes, Lord is hearing me or Lord is trying to reciprocate to me. So how do he comes to assurance, yes, Lord is hearing me, Lord is receiving my worship. So how do we come to that assurance?
You should have, that is the main point I was saying. You should have activated faith. Philosophical faith, but then when you are actually in front, you should have actually activated faith. If somebody is before me is very grossly is receiving something, I am accepting, then I don't need faith. I give him some sweet, he smiles, he takes. I don't need faith. Shraddha there, I don't need. Correct? But holy name requires shraddha, even though it is freely available to everybody. Freely available to everybody. But unless shraddha is there, you don't recognize him. Now what is the shraddha? Shraddha is number one. There are two kinds of faith. One is existential faith, another is relationship faith. Existential faith is, there is current in this wire. I don't see it. There's current in this wire because light is on. There is, that means existence. There is electricity. Relationship faith is what? A relationship with that which exists. What is that? Is, if I go and touch it, I'll get electrocuted. So similarly, existential faith is of the holy name is what? Lord has incarnated into this material sound with all his energies, and he is an avatara, naṣṭa-prāyeṣv avatara, with a particular mindset to give us mercy, with a mindset to receive our chanting and hearing, if it is done according to the guidance of his pure Nama devotees like Srila Prabhupada. So that is existential faith. Then relationship faith is what? Relationship with the Lord who is before you. That if I offer him service, he accepts. If I offer him attention, he accepts. If I offer him my doing potency, he accepts. My desiring potency, he accepts. My determination potency, he accepts. My ability to do a work, the work of 108 times one mala, work of one mala, that is a work. That also he accepts. Like this, all the soul faculties, he is expecting us to dedicate our consciousness towards him during that time, to touch him, so that when we touch him, we can get spiritualized, we can get Brahmanized, and we can come out of this ignorance of being this body and being his samsha. So that is this relationship faith. So shraddha. Now the question is, how does one... Shraddha is a fundamental factor, because for the normal eyes you see it is just ordinary vibration. For the normal eyes you see Archa Vigraha, ordinary stone. But for the normal eyes, when Prabhupada was walking, no, he was a spiritual person. Everything was active. I don't need any kind of a shraddha that he is a live person. If I see the deity, I need shraddha to say that he is a live person. I have to add shraddha. So it's so extremely important to have that shraddha in the Shastras. When I have attraction towards something, something is very attractive, I see directly, very attractive, then my attention stays there. When I have not seen Krishna, how can my attention stay there? When I have not seen Shuddha Nama, which Rupa Goswami and great devotees are saying they need 1,000,000 tongue and 1,000,000 ears to hear, to taste it. When I have not seen, how I will get attracted to it? Shraddha. Faith, when you hear that Rupa Goswami is saying that I need 1,000,000 tongues, I need 1,000,000 years to taste the holy name. If you have Shraddha, oh, I am not able to see, but this Nama has got so much taste in it. Faith. Now, when faith will also bring attraction. Not same extent as directly experiencing. Somebody says some treasure is hidden under the earth there, and you have faith, yes, you are attracted to that spot, though it is not the jewel that is attracting you, but it is sound that you heard. What is that? There is jewel there, that has attracted you. In the same way, hearing the words of Srila Prabhupada, hearing what the Shastras say, will build attraction to the holy name to us. So therefore, that Shraddha, because the question comes, Shraddha, how do I get Shraddha? How do I get Shraddha? Shraddha is very important, I understand now. But next question is, how do I get Shraddha? How do I get Shraddha? Hearing from the right source, you get Shraddha. Repeated hearing and contemplating. Contemplating means you yourself hear. You yourself tell and hear. That is called contemplation. So simple it is. How much time do we spend consciously as an exercise, repeatedly hearing that the holy name is Krishna himself. The holy name is Krishna himself. Or take one, the most powerful is to take the very words of Prabhupada. Take one line of Prabhupada, what he says. Because there is potency, there is a spiritual potency in that. Unlike the sentences that you create. So you go on reading that, hearing that, you will see Shraddha goes up. Shraddha is also an energy. It goes up. So when good Shraddha is there, then you presence the Lord very easily, and it becomes a reality. Seva is a reality. That is to start with it, Shraddha. Afterwards, it's an experiential connection with the Lord. When you are not even started, it's the rapport with the mind of the holy name, there is a question of experiential relationship with the holy name. It comes afterwards. First things first.